In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the domain name of the free Webflow domain step by step. This is perfect if you've created a Webflow site, published it on the free Webflow subdomain, and later decided that you want a cleaner or more relevant domain name without upgrading to a paid plan. This process is quick, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require any coding at all. If you're building portfolios, landing pages, or test projects in Webflow, this is something you'll definitely want to know. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow tutorials and website building tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Webflow dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the Webflow account that owns the site you want to change. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of all your projects and sites. Find the specific site where you want to change the free Webflow domain name. Next, look at the site card and click on the three dots icon, also known as the Options menu for that site. This menu gives you access to important site-level settings. From the drop-down, click on Settings. This will open the Settings area for your selected Webflow site. Inside the site settings, look for the tab labeled Publishing. Click on Publishing to open the domain and publishing options for your site. This is where Webflow allows you to manage both free and custom domains. Under the Webflow subdomain section, you'll see the current free domain name assigned to your site. Click into the domain name field and type the new name you want for your free Webflow domain. You can customize this as long as the name is available and follows Webflow's naming rules. Take a moment to double-check the spelling, because this will be part of your live site URL. Once you're happy with the new domain name, click the Save button to apply the change. Webflow will update the free domain name for your site, and in most cases, the change takes effect almost immediately. After saving, you can publish your site again to make sure the updated domain is live and working correctly. That's it. You've successfully changed the domain name of your free Webflow domain. This is a simple but powerful way to rebrand a project, clean up your URL, or make your site easier to share with others. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow how-to guides, tutorials, and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.